Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Areté plus 1 degree, a micro chapter from Areté, Activate Your Heroic Potential. 451 of my all-time favorite big ideas, including this one. Repairing relationships, a key practice for optimizing the love in our lives. Leading mindfulness and neuroscience and relationship expert Dan Siegel tells us that when something inevitably goes wrong in a relationship, we want to repair it as quickly as we can. One of the examples he uses to make his point is a story about a time when he, Mr. Mindfulness, flipped his lid, turning off his prefrontal cortex and going full limbic brain, yelling at one of his kids. Now, I laughed as I typed that as it's always refreshing to see a world-class teacher and practitioner humbly reminding us that no one is perfect, and B, I very much know the feeling as the father of very energetic 10 and 6-year-olds. So, we have an interaction that we're not proud of. Then what? Then you repair the relationship as quickly as you can. Something like, wow, I got really impatient, loud, fill in the blank, I flipped my lid. I want you to know I'm sorry and that I love you and that I'm committed to getting a little better at handling those challenging moments in the future. Insert potential hug. We don't want those little micro moments of negativity to stew into jumbo resentments and unhealthy cauldrons of ick. Take a deep breath, drop into your heart, label the emotion, Dan says, name it, to tame it, or now to frame it, and use whatever tool you need to as you regain your equanimity and then repair. Plus 1 degree check-in, any repairs waiting for you? Get on that now.